Hey guys, Lycranroc today back with another Pokemon unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Lycranroc GX box. Yeah. So last time we did the Detective Pikachu Charizard GX. Now we're going to do Lycranroc GX. So let's get started. Yee! Alright, so we got it out of the box. Now we're going. Okay. So Dad was kind enough to get it out for me because I don't know how to do things. So this is a very, very nice card, Lycranroc GX. The thing. This is a really cool card. I love it. I'm going to put it over here. And now we got the big card, which is nice as well. It's just a bigger version. And when I say bigger, I mean like 4 or 5 times as big. You guys can compare that. Anyway, we have 1, 2 Sun and Moon packs, then a Fates Collide, and a Breakpoint. And this. Now, sadly with our new Pokemon scan app, it will not accept Gen 6 and under. So these two, well, yeah. Okay, we're still gonna open them, but I just can't scan them. But that's fine. Could get some really cool things from them. So I think I'm gonna go Breakpoint, Fates Collide, Sun and Moon. Yeah, cool. Cut that out of the video. Oh, for God's sake! Since I do not like green code cards, I will allow you guys to see the code for that. There we go. We've wasted enough time with this trash. There we go. There we go. That's how to dispose of green code cards. All right. So 4 to the front. In case you guys forgot or want to know how to do the trick, so that the best card is at the back. Oh, great, I screwed up again. So this is our best card. No need for the others. I did. This was supposed to be the first card. I just forgot because Gen 6 and earlier, they didn't have energies. So this is a good card. This is a starting card. So, Misty's Determination, Arcanine, Luxio, Slowpoke being chased by Shelder and some ducklets. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
Oh, I thought it was a Palkia for a second. That's a Furfurrow. It's still quite beautiful. Seedot, Psyduck, Esper. Foil Esper, ooh, that's nice. And yeah, so and let's just pretend that. Oh, cool, a Pangoro! Yay! So that was our break point. Now we got Fates Collide. Let's open it. Got a peek at the back. Oh, you guys are not allowed to see that. Oh, how do I do this? Yes, I did it. Wait, no. Okay, I did it. There we go. Alright, so I, gotta put that back in there. The door just got blown by the wind. Gotta yeet that over there. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. That's how we do it, y'all. So then we have the Fossil Excavation Kit, Fairy Garden, Shuckle, Binacle, Snubble, oh, it's under there, Snivy, Colossus, Coffeeta. Oh, that is a really cool Tyrant card. Oh my god, we got 2 amazing cards. Oh, this is the foil. Oh, guys, a white Kyurem. Kyurem? Who knows how to say it? Cool, but we also got the Tyrant. That is a really good pack right there. Beautiful. Alright, we'll be right back because I need the bathroom. So, yee. Alright, so now we got the Sun and Moon packs. So let's start off with this one. I already kind of ripped off the backs of them. Oh yeah, actually, you guys can have that. There we go. Cool, you guys now enjoyed it, and now we get to rip it in half. Actually, in thirds. Then we get to put it there. So, eat that. Alright. Now, this is sun and moon, so there will be an energy. Right. Yep, just had to check. Cool. We do have the energy good.
We have energy!
Okay, so we got Fairy Energy, a Metapod, Lily, Bolor, Bounsweet or Bounsweet, Lillipup, Paris, that's very creepy, Firo, Litten. Ooh, a nice foil polygraph right there, right? Perfect. Cool. I kind of like the polygraph better. Cools. Let me put that there. Yeet. We got this. We will open. It's not green, so I just flip it over. Alright, cool. Cool. So it's gonna be something good. Alright, so then we do the trick. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and yeet. Alright, so we got the Fighting Energy, Spinda, Lima, and Passimian, Cutie Fly, get out of here, Chinchou, Morlo, Skarmory, Caterpie, a nice foil lantern, and oh my god! No way. Dude! This is a super rare card! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh. That is really nice. Yeet. Alright, so our special cards we got today were a small and a big Lycranroc GX. And then we also got the, I don't know what to call these, but we got the special trainer, that's what I call him, Professor Kukui. And he's now over there. So I guess that's the end of the episode. Have a nice day, guys. Bye!